Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today I'm going to be upgrading the side repeaters on my Volkswagen Transporter T5. Now what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to remove the existing ones, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to fit these ones. I haven't even taken them out of the box yet, so I better show you exactly what they look like. So the standard ones that are on the van already are the clear lensed ones, which they just stand out like a sore thumb. My van's grey and black, so I wanted some blacked out indicators basically, and these are the little units. You can see here they've got like a plug on them, so the idea is the old ones unplug, these ones plug in, and away you go. What I was going to say is they are canvas error free, so you don't get any warning lights coming up on the dash, which is going to be good. So that means you shouldn't get any hyper flashing either. And yeah, they look really good as well. So what I'll do a before video of the existing indicators, and then I'm going to show you the after of these ones. These also actually have the dynamic flow like function to them. So you've probably seen those 70 grand Audis on the M23 or the M1, and when they indicate, they go, it's like a swooping indicator. It's not like a traditional flash. It goes zoop, zoop. Yeah, just like that. So this will basically do the same as that, as far as I know. Yeah. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you've got any questions, please leave them below. And if you like this video, please like it. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get these from. And yeah, let's get on with it. And just as I was about to go out the van, it's absolutely hacking it down. I've got the proper British attire on right now. I'm wearing a t-shirt, I've got shorts on, and I've got flip-flops. And no umbrella. Oh, this is going to be difficult. I'm going to give it a go. Just if this video is really that bad, just let me know. Cheers. So I'm going to quickly show you the standard one. Right, let's get the flashes on. Let's go, let's do this. Oh god, it's pouring down. Right, there we go. That's how the existing ones flash. I'll show you only one side because there's no point seeing two sides. So the tool I'm going to use to take my side repeaters out is this lovely trim removal tool. It's plastic, so if you tread carefully with it, you shouldn't do any damage to your paintwork. So yeah, just basically go in nice and gently. I'm going to show you that. I'm just buying a bit of time right now whilst the rain settles down. Right, so I'm just going to pop that in this side, like so. Out comes the indicator, and then you just got to pull this black bit off. Pulled the black bit off of the existing light. As you can see, there's a bulb there. Just got to pop that out as well. Pop the bulb out. Can't do it one-handed, so I'm going to have to do that bit. Show you again. Right, so that's plugged in. I'm just going to test it before I put it back inside the bodywork of the van. Right, as you can see, that's working. Just going to pop that back in. So there's like a little lip there. Just slide that in like so, and then give it a little push. And there we have it. Is that left side done? So now I'm just going to stick the hazards on, walk you around the outside and show you the lights working. It's the front left, and then just at the front right. Like so, perfect. Now I'm going to do like a moment of truth on this. Basically I'm going to start the van. Any warnings on the dash? No. And then left indicator, right indicator. Perfect. Seems like she works lovely. Right, I hope you all appreciate the fact that I've got soap doing that. No, I'm only joking. Yeah, one thing I'll say, if you're going to fit them yourself, just go very gently when putting them in, because they are a lot tighter fit, these seem to be, than the standard ones. But yeah, I'm well happy with them. They look amazing. It's just a shame about the weather today. I would like to do a proper walk round, but hey ho, it's raining. What else can I do? Yeah, thanks for watching my video, and I will be making another one soon. The next thing I'm doing is about my rear badges on the van. I've just sprayed a couple of the chrome badges, and I'm waiting on some new ones to come through the door, and I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to fit them as well. So yeah, all good. See you later.